This is another video. In this video, we are going to talk something about fractions. So, last video we continue our discussion about Apache Commons Line 3. So, this fraction class also included in that library. So, how it will be useful in our programming. So we can see that. So here, if I am going to create a new class and a fraction utils test, and I'm going to copy the already existing public static void main to save some time. And here, fraction utils, it says that I'm coming here, and what I'm going to do is just removing this one. Need only few methods that useful here. So the first one is getFraction. So before that, I need to change my include something. Okay, so fraction is the method, then fraction fraction include here, I guess. Not here, probably here. Okay, so yeah, fine right now. getFraction. So include only few methods, I guess. So first one, numerator and denominator. So it will get the fraction, and we assume that will print into the console. So there is another one. So here we are getting a fraction. We are adding something to that. So if I am just add another fraction that I can do, 1, 5. Also subtract will work in the same way, and both will provide a fraction class. So if I am printing that fraction class, it should be a class. So probably I need to change something to get the result, but we can see how we will subtract. Okay, so there are something called multiply also. So everything related to the fraction that we can do here with the multiple operation. So there is multiple by. Yeah, we are going for multiply. It's multiply by. So I'm going to print that. Let's see whether it's going to get a result here. Yeah. So there is a toString method that's providing the exact result. So we don't need to worry about converting into the toString. So we get the exact result here. So 120, 120, 920, 1 by 4. So the get fraction 1 by 4, and here 920. It is adding 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. It should be 9 by 20. That's where the fraction works. So there is a toString method also, but we don't need to use that toString method. There is no use for that, I guess. To converting into the string, that's the only purpose. Okay, so even if we are not using toString, that doing the same purpose using that toString of a fraction method. If we are going inside our fraction method, there should be a string method here. There are so many methods: absolute of a fraction, power of a fraction, create common divisor. This should be very useful. We can save so many time using this method. So, yeah, it's very useful here. Add and check, subtract and check, subtract two integers, checking for overflow. So we will do this in the case where we are expecting some overflow or something. Subtract, add, subtract. There are so many methods here, so we can use based on that. Uh, Before we are going to the programming and application, the first thing we need to understand what are the methods available. So if there is some methods available and if we know maybe some methods are available, we can use that without any problem. Uh, Otherwise, we need to create our own custom methods that will take so much time. So it's very useful to use already built-in libraries to save time. Thank you for watching.